In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix a sleeve. So I'm starting with my sleeves. If you don't know how to cut a sleeve, I have three detailed tutorials on this channel on how to cut a sleeve. I'm going to leave links to those tutorials in the comment section or the description box. And I'm going to fix this sleeve to my gown. I also have a tutorial on how I made this gown. So you want to check it out. Okay, now this is the sleeve. I turned it over with my lining. Now the first thing you must do is you must notch the center of the sleeve, which is what I've notched. Okay, so after notching the center of the sleeve, one trick to getting your sleeve right is you see that center you notched, you're going to align it to your shoulder line. That is one trick. So you want to open your zip, okay? You are going to flip your dress. Then this is how you are going to fix your sleeve. So the right side of the fabric is of the gown is going to be facing the right side of the sleeve, okay? While the wrong sides are going to be facing you, okay? So you're going to use your office pin and you're going to align that notched point to your shoulder line, the middle of that your shoulder line. You're going to align it to that part. Then you see that place you joined your sleeve, that seam allowance, you are going to align it to the seam allowance of the blouse or the gown. You're going to hold it down with your pin, okay? Which is what I did here. So after doing those two things, you're going to use your office pin to secure the sleeve to the dress, whether the gown or the blouse. You want to make sure everything is well aligned and it lap properly, okay? Which is what I did here. You can see how the lining and the main piece and everything looks, okay? This is how your own must look. So after doing this, I took it over to my sewing machine. Now this video is sped up, this particular one, but when you are fixing your sleeve, you want to take your time. Slow and steady wins the race, okay? Nobody is pursuing you. You're going to adjust your foot presser as you're sewing. You're going to adjust the sleeve because it's a hollow. It's not exactly round. It is round, it is hollow, it is grooved. So you're going to follow each shape and you're going to keep sewing. To me, I like to start at the shoulder point and sew till I get back to the shoulder point. Okay, so I don't start from the seam allowance, I start from the shoulder point till I get to the shoulder point. So after sewing and ironing, this is what the sleeve looks like. This is just the easiest way, the simplest way and the fastest way to sew your sleeve. So whether it's a puffy sleeve, a basic sleeve, a dormant sleeve, whatever sleeve it is, this is how you fix a sleeve. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Bye.